Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some easy handmade gifts. Okay, tomorrow is my grandma's birthday and I found some really cute things that I think that she'll really like. Okay, first thing we're going to make is this picture. Now, I went and got this frame, and this is a placemat. This part is cut off because that's an upcoming thing we're going to do later on in the video. And then I got these stickers. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is open up this frame. Okay, I'm just going to cut this down to size so it'll fit in here. Move that out of the way. I'm going to kind of use the backing as a guide. I think that's good enough. All right, cut it. Let's see what part I like the best. So I might just go ahead and do it right there. And this isn't the easiest thing to cut either, so you might want to get a pair of good scissors. See how that fits. Take a little bit more off the top. Right, that's just about good. Now, I'm just going to put this onto the frame, and I'm going to take these stickers and just put them on here. Try to kind of see how I want to place them first. So you just find where you want to put it. Sorry, I've got like glitter and stuff all over from something else I want to do. And then you just place it on. Oops. I just like jumped right out of my hand. And this is very sticky, so you won't have any problem getting this to stick. I need to do this stuff before I even touch the glitter. I'm gonna actually put it like that. And you can arrange this stuff or get whatever stickers you want, however you want to do it. And I think I might actually put these at the bottom. Maybe. That one was way easier to take off. It's going to run into that part. It's going to do it that way, but I don't think it'll work. You just kind of have to work with it sometimes. Trying to make sure it's not going to go off the paper or touch the top part on here. This one has been by far the hardest one to try to do. And there we go. There. I think that looks good. Let's press them all down and make sure it's on there. Yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, now we're ready to put it in the frame. All right, yeah, that looks great. That's very nice. So we'll move on to the second thing. I'm going to make her this tissue paper flower arrangement, and I'll show you exactly how to make the tissue paper flowers, just like these right here. Okay, first you want to start out with a stack of tissue paper. You just cut them into squares, and you can use whatever color you want, and then you take a stapler and staple the middle, and then you just take your scissors and just cut a circle around the whole thing. And after you have your circle, then, oh, and also, this is going to be the bottom. Make sure you are aware that this part is going to be the bottom. The top of the staple, or well, I guess that's the bottom part of the staple. Anyway, this one is the top part of the flower. So you take your scissors and you're just going to cut some lines like this all the way around. And there are tons of ways that you can do tissue paper flowers. This is just the way that I like it the most. I think this is the prettiest way. So I'm going to show how to do it this way. Maybe some other time I'll show how to do all the different ways. See, this is so easy to do. And they actually turn out very pretty, I think. You just can kind of, if you don't like how it looks right off, then you can kind of manipulate a little bit to get it to look fuller or however you want. All right, and now we're going to use this part. I got some sparkly pipe cleaners, and what you do is you just shove the pipe cleaner. I'm going from this angle. You just shove the pipe cleaner in that part right there. You just take it and just twist it around. This is an easy way to give them stems. This is the easiest way that I found to do this. Just twist it until it's on there. All right. Now here's our other ones. And I kind of made them shorter. I tried to make the bottoms kind of chunkier. That way when I put it down in the rocks, it kind of has more to stay in there. Okay, let's put this. Speaking of which, I got these little crystal rocks, and because I thought that they would look good with those collars. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump those in here. And I'm doing it this way so I don't get any of the discolored rocks in there. Because for some reason there's like a few gray ones and some maroon looking ones. And I don't want those. Now that I have all of those in there, I'm going to put the little glitter twigs, those in there, kind of separate them a little bit, as well as I can at least. This is what's causing glitter to be everywhere, by the way. There we go. And then I'm just going to stick the flowers down in here. Actually, I wonder if it would just be better if we would just wrap the flowers around this. Yeah, I think that's going to work a whole lot better. Now that I have all those wrapped, now I'm going to stick it down in here. Another way that you can do this is to take one of the pipe cleaners and actually wrap it around together. That way it will all be one solid green. I think that would look even better. So we're just going to do it like that. Was going to try to do it the other way, but thought about it, and I think this will be even better. Now that we have this done, we're just going to stick it down in here now. Okay, there we go. See it from all angles. And you know, this might be a good idea for like a centerpiece. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out which part is my favorite. I think this one, because I was going to make that the front. And I also got these two little butterflies to put on there just to give it an extra little pretty detail. So I'm gonna just pick a spot. I think I'm gonna do one up here. I don't know whether I'm gonna use the wire. I might just hot glue them. That might be easier. Yeah, I kind of recommend hot gluing these because that came out very easy, watch. Well, now this one isn't gonna come out easy. There. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna hot glue that. Now, I'm just gonna put hot glue on the back of the butterflies and just stick them to whatever branch I think will look best. That's Hank. He wants me to play right now. Hank is my 8-week-old puppy, by the way. And then I think I'm gonna put this one right here. There we go. And here's the finished product. I love it, and I think she will too. It is so cute. Yeah, I think this will work as, you know, just a flower arrangement you'd want, or a centerpiece. Because you could do it however you want. There are so many different ways to do this. This is what I thought that she would like the best. And last but not least, I painted this box, and my grandma really loves fall colors, so I chose to do fall colors. And I think that she'll really like how this is painted. So I have another part. I wrote this on the front of part of the placemat because I wanted to kind of tie some of the stuff in together. So that's why I decided to do it this way. But I'm going to glue it on the front like that. I kind of wanted things to be a little bit cohesive. So I thought that that would be the best way to do that. So I'm just going to glue this right on the front here. Try to get it as symmetrical as I can. All right, there we go. And one of the reasons why I picked that placemat in particular is because of the collars that it had would kind of go with these. And since she does love fall colors so much, and there was like leaves and things on it, that's why I picked that. But you can pick whatever you want. And to put inside the box, she really loves to write and make plans and do stuff like that. So I got a bunch of things that she would be able to find useful for that. And she can just keep on her desk. So I got her some paper clips, and I got these little cute bags to put everything in so they can be organized, and some whiteout, and some rubber bands, some binder clips, some safety pins, some notepads and a pen, and some magnetic bookmarks. And I'll open this up and show you. These were so cute. I loved when I found these because I think she will really enjoy them. And here's one, and you just open it and then you clip it onto the page, and it's just a magnetic bookmark. Here's the other one too, and they're the collars that she likes. So I really enjoyed finding these for her. So I'm just going to put all of this stuff in the box. Oops. Here's the inside, and I think she will really like this. She'll find a lot of use for it. She's somebody that likes useful gifts, so she'll really appreciate that. And then I also got her this cute bag, reusable bag, to put everything in. And I quit buying gift bags a while back because I was like, you know, I'm spending all this money for a bag that people are just going to throw away and more than likely not even reuse. So I decided to get reusable bags, so it's something that people can have and actually use them, so it could even be part of the gift the back can even be part of the gift, which I think is a great idea. But I got this, you know, along with the collars and the leaves and all that to kind of stick to the theme. So I hope these give you some ideas on some gifts to make. These were super easy and fun, and I think they look great. And you can do these just about any way you want for people, you know, what their favorite colors are and, you know, what sayings and stuff they like. So, I mean, you have tons of options. But it's just an easy, quick, personable thing because I always love handmade gifts. I love to get handmade gifts. I love to give handmade gifts because it's just more personal. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed these ideas on gifts, and hopefully you can find them useful. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like. I would really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. Bye.